woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses.
Right, so I pretty much have the room put together. These are the curtains that I just got. I am not in love with them, so I think I'm going to put the gold ones back up, and I'm going to take those back. Now, over here, it's just simple, nothing extravagant. And I was going to put that picture, of course, you know, I had two. I had one I was going to put here, and I did not like that look. I think it looked a little bit too structured for me. And it may be just the pictures. I think glass art will do better on each side. So that's probably what I do. So that's that. This is it. I love the way this bed is looking. Just a layered blanket and real simple. This comforter is really thin, so we don't have issues with heat at night. And these two pillows on the front, I just put them over here on these chairs at night, and then I just take my 3 blue chip pillows in the back and I put them on my ottomans at night. So now that is it. So I do like this look, and I love that it is bright and airy. It's really, really comfy. So all right, so today's video is being sponsored by Ledvance Sylvania. They sent me their LED 40-watt clear bulbs, and I'm going to use these in the chandelier in the living room. And they also sent me their Germicidal light bulbs, and I'll be using these in our bedroom as well as the bathroom. I'll put one in each one of our lamps. And they sent also 4 of their Wi-Fi bulbs. So I'm going to use one of these in this lamp because you can control this from an app. And this is the lamp we always forget to turn on and off at night. So I can just grab my phone and turn it off. All right, so they sent me 4 of these light bulbs. I'm going to use one in this bedroom as well as the other 3 throughout our home. I think they'll be perfect for areas that we turn the light on and off on a consistent, timely basis. And I'm just going to use an old iPhone and download the app to use to control the light bulb. We are going to use the Germicidal lights in the lights that are on our nightstand. So this is how they look. Kind of similar but not the same. Similar but not. As I mentioned, these light bulbs came in a pack of 4. They are the A19 with light shield technology, dimmable, germicidal, LED UVC light bulbs, which are perfect for lights that help fight germs and odors. When the LED bulb is switched on, the coating is activated. The natural circulation of the air brings germs, odors, and any other organic compound into contact with the coating, which then helps neutralize the substances on its surface. These bulbs are completely safe to use around humans, animals, and plants. I feel like they're perfect for any home, and I'm going to mainly use them in my bedrooms as well as bathrooms. But there is the app. As you can see, the light is on. We're going to open the app, and there's the green button, and we're going to turn it off. As you can see, I just turned it off. We're turning it back on. We got it off, and we got it back on. As you can see, the light is moving every time I press the button. We can also do automation, And we can also, let's go back home, open it up, and we can also schedule. We can schedule a time that we want the lights to come on. Right now I don't have any schedulings, but hey, if I want it to come on at 7:30 p.m., we can do that as well. So I'll do that this evening. So we'll do 7:30. We're going to save that, and it should come on once. And then I'll have my phone in the bed with me, and I can just turn it off or get up and turn it off. So really cool Wi-Fi automated lights. So there you have it. And let's go ahead and turn the light back off. And you see it went off. We're going to turn it back on. We can also adjust the color. These are the Sylvania Smart Plus Wi-Fi light bulbs that provide illumination and color to your home directly from your smartphone or voice command. You can use devices that are compatible with Amazon Alexa, Siri shortcuts, and Google Home. They also have dimmable features. You can customize the brightness to match your mood, an occasion, or any time of the day. Use simple commands to turn the light on and off, dim or brighten, or cover rooms in your favorite color. You can say something as simple as, Alexa, turn the lights on. Alexa, indigo. All right, so we're going to use the Sylvania LED True Wave dimmable lights in the living room. As you know, my living room light is dimmable, so these dimmable lights is perfect. This light can help you see better with light that's more soothing for your eyes when reading and shows real vivid colors, white and skin tones. True Wave technology delivers light most like the natural light of sun, which can help you feel and look your best. Thank you, Ledvance Sylvania, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave links to all of their light bulbs I shared in today's video for you to check out.
Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we can jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say.
As I mentioned, I did go ahead and hang our gold curtains back up. I do like them better than the other ones. And over on the nightstand, I went ahead and added our scent for the day. I do love sharing some similar scents that my husband and I have in common. And today's scent is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for women and Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for men.
Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November.
Are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And thank you, Ledvance Sylvania, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave links to the light bulbs I shared in the description for anyone who is interested. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.